Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to set up Stripe payments in WooCommerce. So connecting a Stripe account is easy as you have known. So you'll have to download the Stripe extensions in your extension. So you have to look for this first before you can go and do anything else. So first you navigate to your WooCommerce settings and payments tabs. So WooCommerce, go to settings, payment tabs right here, and then click finish setup using the Stripe right here. So you must have the Stripe extension first, and then next click and create an account, or you can just connect your account and then connect a test account button. That should be only if you're connecting a test only Stripe account. You can go ahead and go to connect.stripe.com where you can either actually connect a Stripe account that you already have or just create one. So next, when you have done that, you'll be able to connect it simply and then configure the connection. From there, ensure your account is connected and configure the webhooks and the account is connected. And there you go. It's all done. Now you have your own Stripe payment set up in WooCommerce, and it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.